वासुदेवेन्द्र योगीन्द्रम् नत्वा ज्ञानप्रदं गुरुम् मुमुक्षूणां हितार्थाय तत्त्वबोधोऽभिधीयते। पेज नंबर 54। अथ चतुर्विंशतितत्त्वोत्पत्तिप्रकारम् वक्ष्यामः। ब्रह्माश्रया सत्त्वरजस्तमो गुणात्मिका माया अस्ति। ततः आकाशः सम्भूतः आकाशाद्वायुः वायोस्तेजः तेजस आपः अद्भ्यः पृथिवी। We are seeing the third topic of this Tattvabodha. First topic as sadhana chatushtaya sampatti, the qualifications required to study and to understand this Tattvabodha. Qualifications are those viveka, vairagyam, shamadamadi shatka sampattihi, mumukshutvam. Discriminative knowledge between what is real and what is unreal is called vivekaha. Then vairagyam, sufficient detached mind required. All these material objects are temporary. The permanent thing is that Bhagavan alone. Therefore, dropping the desire or clinging towards materialistic pleasures is called vairagyam. Dropping that craving or clinging towards materialistic objects is called vairagyam. Then third one is shamadhi shatka sampatti. Mind control, shama, dama, sense control, uparama, withdrawal of senses from unhealthy objects, titiksha, tolerance power, steadiness, shraddha, developing faith in Shastra and Guru, and samadhanam. Samadhana means absorption. Absorption in the right destination. I always absorb myself working in my right destination. Right goal is called samadhanam. Chitta samadhanam. So shamadama, uparama, titiksha, shraddha, samadhanam. Then last one is mumukshutvam. Desire to be free from sorrow. Desire to be free from limitation. Desire to be free from this Janana Marana Samsara Chakra. Desire to be free from all pains. This is called Mumukshutvam. Then the second topic we saw is what is my real nature, individual nature. The real nature is Sat Chit Anandaha, my real nature. I am not the physical body, that which is matter, made up of chemicals. I am not this gross body, not subtle body, not a causal body. I am not even 5 koshas. I am not Annamaya kosha. I am not Manomaya kosha. I am not Pranamaya kosha. I am not Vijnanamaya kosha. I am not Anandamaya kosha also. Sit in the chair. I am not Anandamaya kosha. I am not even 5 koshas. Then I am not even 3 avasthas. I am not the waker, I am not the dreamer, I am not the sleeper also. Avasthatraya sakshi aham. I am the observer of waking state, I am the observer of dream state, I am the observer of sleep state also. So I am different from all of them. Then what is my nature? I am Sat principle. I am existent principle. Sat principle. Not only that, I am consciousness principle, also Chit principle. Chit principle means consciousness principle. Not only that, I am Ananda principle. I am Ananda principle means my nature is Ananda. My Swarupam is Ananda. Therefore, who am I now? I am Satchidananda. And whatever name is there on that identity card, that is only temporary. Only temporary for this body given. I am Satchidananda Swarupaha. How we have understood this in Tamil, I said, நான் இருக்கேன் ani எனக்கு தெரியும். சத்தன்ன நான் இருக்கேன், சித்தன்ன எனக்கு தெரியும். இப்போ நாம் இருக்கோமோ இல்லையோ? இருக்கோம். நாம் இருக்கோம்னு நமக்கு தெரியுமா தெரியாதா? தெரியும். அப்போ நானே சத்து, நானே சித்து. I exist, I know. As I exist, I know there is no sorrow. In that there is no sorrow. When sorrow comes, when I am wife, I am husband, I am mother, I am a citizen of so and so place, and all these roles when I play only, I get sorrow. As I am, I exist, sorrow is not there. Then these roles and relations are related to what? I am a husband, relation belong to what? I am a wife, relation belong to what? Gross body. Gross body. So since I am not the body, that relation also is not a real relation to me. It is only a temporary relation to the body. Body has got a relation. This is the unmai. But we are taking that body as myself and body relation also as my relation, and therefore my sorrow, what? The curtain is opened. Sorrow curtain is, drama is opened. Drama I am பண்ணும்போது என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? Screen. They raise the screen. They raise the screen. The whole drama begins. Like that. Where we are from green room to, we have come to the stage. We do not know, people are going to clap, people are going to throw the thrones, we do not know how we play the role. If we know dialogues properly and we act very nicely, act nicely, then people clap once more, they say. Otherwise, go back, go back, they say. Like that, we are all playing our roles now. Who we are, and all of us are one Satchidananda Swarupam, many names, many forms. Up to here we saw. Okay. Now who am I? Jiva Vichara is what? And Vicharamanna Tamil Vicharamilla. Vicharamanna enquiry, analysis. Now I have understood that I am not this physical body with flesh and bones. Really speaking, I am that consciousness existent principles who is enlivening this body mind complex, which is a mixture of five elements. This body here sitting is nothing but five elements are sitting together. Assemblage, assemblage, conglomeration, mixture of what? Five elements. பஞ்சபூத உடல். இங்கே உட்காரும் போது ஞாபகம் இருக்கும், அந்த பஞ்சபூத உடல் தான் உட்கார்ந்துருக்கான்னு யாருக்காவது கொஞ்சம் ஒரு செகண்டாவது ஞாபகம் இருக்கான்னா? We do not remember that. Now Shastra says, Shankaracharya says, you have to first understand your body is made up of five elements. So this body comes in this creation. This body is created. Better you know the creation, how the creation has come. Before this body is going to come into existence, how it has come, what is its cause, you should know. That is called analysis into the creation. Srishti Vicharaha. Individual enquiry is over. I have understood that I am Atma Swarupam. That Sat Chit Ananda alone is called Atma. Since I am Sat, since I am Chit, since I am Ananda, that I am Atma Swarupam. Satchidananda Atma Ahamasmi. Then what about this body, 60 kgs, 80 kgs body? Shankaracharya says, I will tell you how this body has come. Okay? From that portion only we are reading. Ataha chaturvimshati tattvotpatti prakaram vakshyamaha. Analysis of creation, Jagat Vicharaha. I am non-materialistic entity. Let me study about material world. Let me study about material world. Material is that which is nothing but matter. Material is nothing but which is matter. What is this matter? It doesn't matter. The whole creation is matter principle. How many principles are there? Chaturvimshati, 24 principles are there. Ataha. Ataha means from this Atma alone, Ataha, Chaturvimshati. You can take Ataha means after describing this Atman nature, then what you have to know, na? Chaturvimshati means 24 Tattva Utpatti, the birth of 24 principles. Tattva means principles. Utpatti means birth. Their emergence, how they have emerged. Prakaram, method. Paddhati. Vakshyamaha, I am going to teach. How they have come? Brahmashraya Satvarajastamo Gunatmika Maya Asti. This is the starting point. How this universe has come? This is the starting point. How Brahma Ashraya. Maya Asti. Maya Asti means is there. Maya is there. Maya is there. What type of Maya is there? Sattva, Rajas, Tama, Gunatmika. Guna means Swabhava, nature. Guna means Swabhava or nature. Sattva, Rajas, Tamo, Gunatmika. Atmika means endowed with. Maya is that which is endowed with. Nartham. Maya is there which is endowed with what? Sattva guna, sattvic nature. Rajo guna, rajasic nature. Tamo guna, tamasic nature. Sattva, rajas, tamo guna, all these gunas are there in Maya. Not in Maya. Really speaking, Maya is equal to Sattva, Rajas, Tamo, Guna. Nartham. Where is this Maya? Brahma Ashraya. It is in Brahman. Taking shelter in Brahman. Brahma Ashraya. That means Maya cannot exist independently. Maya cannot exist independently. Just as your shadow cannot exist independently from you, wherever you are, your shadow is there. You can exist or not without shadow. Well, you can exist. When light is there, your shadow falls. Okay. Otherwise, without shadow, Swamini, wherever shadow, I am there and sollakudadu. Okay. Without shadow, I can exist, but shadow cannot exist without me. The face in the mirror, reflected face, can exist without you, without your original face? It cannot exist. Can original face exist without reflected face or not? Reflected face cannot exist without original face, but original face can exist without reflected face. Like that, Brahman is Swatantraha. Brahman is not depending upon Maya, but Maya is depending upon Brahman. That's why Brahma Ashraya. Here Ashraya means Paratantraha. Maya is Paratantraha. That means dependently existing. Maya is dependently existing for its existence in the Brahman. But Brahman can exist independently, Swatantraha. This much you note here. Okay, when that context comes, I will explain further. Then what? From that Maya only, Tataha, from this Maya which is Brahmashraya, Tataha Akashaha Sambhutaha. The space is born from Maya. Which Maya? Maya alone cannot exist. So Brahmashraya Maya anartham. Appenartham? Brahman means Chaitanyam. Satchit Chaitanyam Ananda Swarupam. And whatever we said Atma, that is here Brahman. So when it is individual, it is called Atma. Satchidananda is Atma when it is available in individual. When you talk about total macro level, Samashti, it is called Brahman. So, Brahman plus Maya means Ishvaraha. Brahman plus Maya is called Ishvaraha. Just as you saw, say Sitapati and Mayapati. Who is Mayapati? Brahman. Mayapati is Brahman. That Brahman gets another name when he becomes Mayapati. Mayapati enna theriyadho? Enno Sitapati, Ramapati da kettirkom Swamini. Ramapati means Lakshmipati. Ramapati enna Vishnumurti. Husband of Lakshmi Devi, husband of Rama is called Vishnumurti. Sitapati means husband of Sita. Sitapati means who? Sita illa. Rama. Ramapati enna Vishnumurti. Parvati Pataye enna. Who is Parvati Pati? Shiva. So that husband's name only, those days husbands used to be called by their wife's name. That means Sita ruled the kingdom. Rama Lakshmi Pati. So wherever Narayana goes, Lakshmi also has to go. Wherever Rama goes, Sita also has to go. Na. Like that, Sitapati, Ramapati Madri, here, Mayapati, na, Mrs. Mr. Maya, na, Mr. Maya, who na, Brahman. So another name is called Ishvara. That name is not given here. We have to supply Ishvara. From Ishvara. Now Ishvara means what? Maya Sahitam Brahma. Very good. 100 marks for you. இது புரிஞ்சா வேதாந்தம் எல்லாம் புரியும். ஏன்னா இங்கே தான் ஸ்டார்டிங்கே ஹோல் கிரியேஷன். கிரியேஷன் டன் பை ஈஸ்வரா. தத்தஹன்னா ஃப்ரம் ஈஸ்வரான்னு அர்த்தம். ஹூ இஸ் திஸ் ஈஸ்வரா? மாயா சகிதம் பிரம்மா. அப்போ மாயா சகிதம் பிரம்மா தான் இந்த ஜெகத்துக்கு காரணம் ஈஸ்வரன். இப்போ ஈஸ்வரனில் என்னென்ன இருக்கு சொல்லுங்க. ஈஸ்வரா கிரியேட்டட் த வேர்ல்டு. ஈஸ்வரில் என்னென்ன இருக்கு? Maya is there. What type of Maya is there? Sattva, Rajas, Tamo Guna. And the மூணு குணங்களும் இருக்கு, மாயா இருக்கு, அண்ட் பிரம்மனும் இருக்கு. இந்த எல்லாமே சேர்ந்து சிருஷ்டி நடக்க போகிறது. இப்படி தான் ட்ராமா ஸ்டார்டிங். ஸோ வாட் கேவன் ஆகாஷா சம்பூதா. The Akasha has come. That means you have to supply all these 5. 3 gunas are there. And Maya is there, Brahman is there, Chaitanyam is there, sentient principle, insentient principle with the 3 gunas. First what came? Akasha. From Akasha, the air principle has come. From space, air principle. Vayu means air principle. Vayoho tejaha. Akashaha Vayuhu. From Akasha, Vayu. See that Brahman, Maya, Trigunatmika Maya alone appear as Akasha. Akasha is another name for Ishvara. Ishvara is another name for Brahmashraya Maya. புரியுறதோ? இப்படி போகணும், முன்னாடி வரணும். யூ ஷுட் நோ ஆரோகணம் அவரோகணம். ஓகே, ஆரோகணம் அவரோகணம் வி ஷுட் நோ. What? Akasha is born. Akasha is another name for Ishvara. Okay, Ishvara is another name for Brahmashraya Maya, where 3 gunas are there. So another name for this Ishvara is Akasha. And the Akasha is from Akasha what born? Vayu, air principle born. So air principle is another name for Brahmashraya Maya, another name for Ishvara. So Ishvaran vechikalam ipo. Okay, Ishvara. Tejaha saha apaha, from that fire principle. No, Vayoho Tejaha. From fire, air, from air, fire has come. From fire, water has come. Has come anna born anartham. Delivered. Adbhyaha Prithvi. Up to here we saw in the last class. From waters, earth has come. Now, earth is another name of Ishvara. So, earth is another name of fire, water. Water is another name of fire. Fire is another name of air. Air is another name of Akasha. Akasha is another name of Ishvara. Ishvara is another name of Brahmashraya Maya. இப்போ பிருத்திவியில் என்ன இருக்கு? Brahman plus Maya. That is called Ishvara. Ishvara alone appearing as the universe. In that Ishvara, who is appearing as universe, what is there? Sattvagunam, Rajogunam, Tamogunam, and the gunas are there. All subtle elements. They are not yet come to your perception. These are all subtle elements. Okay? You have to note this much. Sukshma Bhutani born first. Second, Sukshma Prapancha is born. Then comes Sukshma Shariram. First, subtle elements, then subtle world, then subtle bodies. Not at perception still. They are all in invisible form. Now, creation of astral body. Now, subtle bodies, how they have come. That we have to read. Creation of astral body means Sukshma Sharira Srishtihi. In a Sukshma Bhutani has come. Because of Sukshma Bhutam, so only Sukshma Prapancha is there in subtle form. From subtle what comes? Subtle only comes. So subtle bodies have to come first. What are they? Etesham panchatattvanam madhye आकाशस्य सात्विकांशात् श्रोत्रेन्द्रियं सम्भूतम्. Now this is second level of creation. First level of creation is what? Brahma, Shriya, Maya, Asti. From that Maya alone, 5 subtle elements are born. This is the first level of creation. Now this is the second level of creation, how subtle bodies have come. Before going to that word to word meaning, first I will give you a bird eye view, then you can understand easily. Subtle body means Sukshma Shariram. See, we are all having this Sukshma Shariram, we have understood. What is that Sukshma Shariram? Pancha Jnanendriyani, Pancha Karmendriyani, Pancha Pranadaya, Manasu Buddhi is there, and we have already read. So when we are studying that Sukshma Shariram Kimna and the portion, we have already completed. Now we are all having Pancha Jnanendriyani. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, touch, all these are sense organs of knowledge, through which you get knowledge. And we have got karma indriyas, no? Pani, pada, payu, upastha. Therefore, we have to revise your text once in a while so that you can remember. So, jnana indriyani, karma indriyani we have got. Karma indriyam means this hand is karma indriyam. Leg is a karma indriyam. Karma indriyam means a indriyam, the power. Indriyam means power. A power that which functions, that which does an action. An indriyam, a power that which knows, is jnana indriyam. And the power which do some action is called karma indriyam. So we have 5 karma indriyams, we have 5 jnana indriyams. And 5 pranas also we have got. என்னமோ புதுசாக பார்க்குறேன் சொன்னால் இதெல்லாம் நடந்த கதை. ஓகே, நடந்த கதை. So we have 5 sense organs of knowledge, 5 sense organs of action, and 5 pranas we have. Totally how many? 15. Not only 15, we have 4 more. Manasu, Buddhi, Chitta, Ahankara, 4. Antaha Karanam. These karma indriyani, jnana indriyani put together bahya indriyams, external sense organs. Okay, sense organs of knowledge 5, sense organs of action 10 of them are external instruments, external sense organs. Antaha karana means mind, buddhi, chitta, ahankara is antaha karana means internal instruments, internal sense organ an artham, internal power. So 4, 15 plus 4, 5 pranas. Where are they? Inside only. Respiratory system, excretory system, circulatory system, digestive system, all these systems we saw. All put together 19 faculties are there. All these 19 faculties are born from this Maya Sahitam Brahma Ishvara with the 5 elements, and the 5 elements are now becoming the subtle body. Now he says etesham panchatattvanam madhye. Have you read? No? We have read it. Etesham. Of these 5 elements, panchatattvanam madhye, nirdharane shashti. Panchatattvanam madhye means among these 5 elements an artham. Among these 5 elements, tattvana means 5 principles. Madhye, among them, akashasya sattvikamshat. So every element has got 3 gunas. Every element has got 3 gunas. Karana gunaha, karye anuvartante. Father's futures come to the child. Mother's futures also some comes to the child. மூக்கு அம்மா மாதிரி இருக்கு, கண்ணு வந்து அப்பா கண்ணு மாதிரி இருக்குன்னு அந்த சைல்டு பார்க்கும்போது இந்த பையனோட பக்கம் வந்து பார்ப்பான், எல்லாம் என்னோட பையன் மாதிரி தான் இருக்கான்னு சொல்லுவான். அந்த பொண்ணு சைடு வாழ வந்து இல்லை இல்லை என்னோட பொண்ணு மாதிரி தான் இருக்கான்னு சொல்லுவான். இதுக்கு சண்டை, கண்ணு மாத்திரம் என்னோட பொண்ணு மாதிரி இருக்க, மூக்கு மாத்திரம் உங்கள் பையன் மாதிரி இருக்க, இப்படி டிவைடு பண்ணிக்கிறான். தி சைல்டு இஸ் த ப்ராடக்ட். த சைல்டு இஸ் ஹேவிங் த ஃபியூச்சர்ஸ் ஆஃப் த பேரண்ட்ஸ். Parents are the cause. So karana gunaha, parents gunaha, karye child vartante, enna they continue. Varada illiyo? அவர் பார்த்து இங்கே அப்பா அம்மான்னு பார்க்க வேண்டாம், அப்படியே அச்சமாக அதே எப்படி இது என்ன ஸ்டாம்ப் மாதிரி, அச்சம் சொன்னோம், ஸ்டாம்ப் போட்டின மாதிரி இருக்குப்பான்னா. ஏன்னா காரண குணாக காரியே அனுவர்த்தந்தே. ఇప్పుడు మాయా గుణాస్ హ్యావ్ టు కమ్ టు 5 ఎలిమెంట్స్. వాట్ ఆర్ దే? సత్వగుణ, రజోగుణ, తమోగుణ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ ఆకాశ. ఏనా అప్ప అమ్మ గుణం, మదర్ ఏమో మాయా. వాట్ అబౌట్ బ్రహ్మన్? అవర్ సెన్షియన్సీ ఆల్సో ఇస్ దేర్ ఇన్ ఆకాశ. దేర్ ఈజ్ బ్రహ్మన్, దేర్ ఈజ్ మాయా ப்ளஸ் 3 குணாஸ் ஆர் தேர். மாயா இருக்குன்னு சொன்னால் என்ன அர்த்தம்? 3 குணாஸ் இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். ஸோ வாட், இப்போ மாயாவில் 3 குணம் இருந்தால் நமக்கு என்னன்னா, அரே அந்த மாயாக்குள்ளே இருக்கிற 3 குணங்களில் ஒரு குணம் சத்வகுணம். ஃப்ரம் தட் சத்வகுணா வாட் கேம்? தட் சத்வகுணா ஆஃப் ஆகாஷா வாட் கேம்னா ஸ்ரோத்ர இந்திரியம் சம்பூதம். Even though there are 3 gunas in that akasha space, sattva rajas tamo guna is there, but one particular sattva guna alone is the cause for this hearing power. Shrotra indriya means the power of hearing. Shrotra indriya means hearing power. Shrotra vanna kaadu, indriyam vanna power. அந்த இந்திரியத்துக்குள்ள அதுக்கு தான் சில பேருக்கு காது இருக்கும், காதுக்குள்ளே ஹியரிங் பவர் இருக்காது. தட்ஸ் வை வாட் தே ஹாவ் டு டூ, அந்த காது பக்கத்துலேயே என்ன வைப்பான்? டூப்ளிகேட் ஸ்ரோத்ர இந்திரியம். தே கீப் நியர் த இயர். அதுக்கு பின்னாடி தெரியாமல், ஆனால் தெரியும், பாவம் தெரியாமல் பின்னாடி வச்சுக்கிறான். அதுதான் ஸ்ரோத்ர இந்திரியம் சம்பூதம். ஸோ தட் இஸ் ஒன். In the 17 faculties, 19 faculties are going to come now, you see. Sattva guna is the cause for Shrotra Indriyam. Vayoho, we will read. Vayoho sattvikamshat tvagindriyam sambhutam agnehe sattvikamshat चक्षुरिन्द्रियं सम्भूतं जलस्य सात्विकांशात् रसनेन्द्रियं सम्भूतं पृथिव्याः सात्विकांशात् घ्राणेन्द्रियं सम्भूतं. All 5 sense organs of knowledge are born out of the sattva guna of each element. So akasha shrotra indriyam. Then vayoho sattvikamshat, the sattva guna of that air principle. And the sattva guna is there in air also. So every element has got 3 gunas. So sattva guna is there in the air. That sattva guna of air is the cause for tvagindriyam. Tvakna sparsha, touch. Indriyamanna power. Okay. The touch power, tvak indriyam, is born, the organ of touch. The sense organs. Why they are called sense organ? It sense. That's sense. Priyarda? எனக்கு சென்ஸே இல்லைன்னு என்ன அர்த்தம்? யூ ஆர் நாட் சென்சிங். ஐ எம் வெரி சென்சிட்டிவ் பர்சன் என்ன அர்த்தம்? ஐ சென்ஸ் த அதர்ஸ் ஃபீலிங்ஸ். இட் இஸ் கால்டு சென்சிட்டிவிட்டி. பட் வி டேக் இட் இன் நெகட்டிவ் சென்ஸ். என்னது? ஐ எம் வெரி சென்சிட்டிவ் பர்சன். ஐ எம் சென்சிட்டிவ்னா நெகட்டிவாக எடுத்துக்கக்கூடாது. ஐ எம் வெரி சென்சிட்டிவ் பர்சன் மீன்ஸ் ஐ எம் சென்சிட்டிவ் ஆஃப் அதர்ஸ் ஃபீலிங்ஸ். ஐ சென்ஸ் த அதர்ஸ் ஃபீலிங்ஸ் இல்லையா? ஐ சென்ஸ் த அதர்ஸ் ஃபீலிங்ஸ் இஸ் கால்டு சென்சிட்டிவிட்டி. நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுறோம்னா வி ஆர் நாட் சென்சிட்டிவ் டு அதர்ஸ் ஃபீலிங்ஸ், வி ஆர் சென்சிட்டிவ் டு அவர் ஃபீலிங்ஸ். That is why we say I am very sensitive person. Hey, you need not be sensitive to your emotions. Be sensitive to others' emotions. Be sensitive to what's others' emotions. That is okay. Forget about that topic. Don't go to that side. Okay. Here, sense organ means an organ which is sense. Which is sense. So sparsha indriyam, the air once it touches the body it sense. That's why it is called sense organ, isn't it? Sense organ. And the sense organ alone is called in Sanskrit indriyam. Indriyam. Sattvikamshat, the sattva guna of air principle, this tvagindriyam organ of touch is born. From that tvagindriyam alone, the organ of, from that sattvika amsha of air alone, this tvagindriyam organ of touch is born. All of us have organ of touch. தெரியுது. காது நல்லா தெரியுறது சுவாமி, என்ன சத்தம் வருது பக்கத்தில், அது தெரியுறது. என்ன சிமிலர்லி வி ஆர் ஃபீலிங். ஃபேன் வருதா இல்லையா பக்கத்தில் பார்த்துருக்கோம் இல்லையோ, கொஞ்சம் பக்கமே உட்காரணும் ஃபேனுக்கு. அது சம்மர் வரப்போகிறது உடனே தெரியும். இட் சென்ஸ் தட் ஏர் இஸ் டச்சிங். Why this touch you feel the air only to the body, not to the ear. You never feel that air is touching the ear or not. Air is touching to the body or not. Why? That air and this body's organ of touch are interconnected. Why? This is product of that air principle. That's why tvagindriyam sambhutam. Tvagindriyam means a sense organ of touch. Therefore, whenever a mosquito sits immediately, anywhere in the body, immediately what do? This hand goes and touch it. That is called sense. You sense the feeling, no? The touch. Then agnehe sattvika amshat. From that fire, sattvika amsha, what comes? Chakshurindriyam sambhutam. Sambhutam means born. Indriya means again organ, sense organ. What sense organ? Chakshuhu, eyes. Eyes are born from that fire, sattvika amsha. From that fire, sattvika amsha, this chakshurindriyam is born. Our eyes are born. Not these visible eyes. The seeing power is born. Okay. They are all sukshmam, not at visible. They are all in sukshmam. Next is what? Jalasya sattvikamshat. The sattva guna of waters comes as rasana indriyam. Your tongue, sense organ of tongue, taste. Sense organ of taste. The organ of taste or sense organ of taste, where is it? The tongue. So it is a tongue is a golakam. Clear? The skin, this body is a golakam for touch. And similarly the tongue is a golakam for that what? Rasana indriyam. So jalasya, from the waters sattvika amsha, this rasana indriyam has come. The taste, that's why tongue is always wet. Why? Because it is born of waters. That's why karana gunaha karye anuvartante. அதுக்கு தான் டங் எப்போவுமே அந்த சலைவை வந்துட்டே இருக்கும். அந்த டங் இஸ் ஆல்வேஸ் வெட். இஃப் இட் இஸ் ட்ரை மீன்ஸ் ஆல் அவுட்டுன்னு அர்த்தம். ஸோ அது எப்போவுமே வெட்டாக தான் இருக்கணும் அந்த டங்கு. ஓகே. ஜலஸ்ய சாத்விகாம்சாத் ரசன இந்திரியம் மீன்ஸ் த tongue, taste. Prithivyaha satvikamsha, the satvika amsha of Prithvi, earth, what has come and what left out? Shrotrendriyam, Chakshurindriyam, Twagindriyam, Rasanendriyam over, na? 4 over. What left out? One more? Grana Indriyam, smell. Grana Indriyam from Prithvi, earth. Of that Prithvi, Satvika Amsha, Grana Indriyam. Grana means nose, the organ of smell. The organ of smell is called Grana Indriyam. Nose is the Golakam. That Grana Indriyam to function, it needs a Golakam. It needs a Golakam, a place. So, nice nose. You need not do any plastic surgery. Okay. Your nose is nice. It has to work. It is smelled. No? Not smell. Pakarda illa terinja podum. Adikku plastic surgery. People are spending a lot of money for this plastic surgery. What it has to do? Only it has to smell. That's all. Function is doing enough. Nenama pandra pandatam. Okay. Pridhivyaha satvikamshat Gnana Indriyam Sambhutam. Now, what are all born? Gnana Indriyams all are ready. Okay, Sukshma Indriyam Tayar Ahanam. Sukshma Indriyam Varanamanna or 5 set is ready. What is that 5 set? Gnana Indriyams are ready. How they are born? By the Sattva principle of each element. Each element. That is why each element has got its own guna. What are those gunas? Akasha has got Shabda guna. Just you note, very important, because the same Akasha has got Shabda guna. Its product is Shrotrendriyam. Therefore, Shrotrendriyam has got a capacity to listen the sound, Shabdam. Akasha has got a specific guna of its own. That is Shabda gunam. Then Vayu has got a Sparsha gunam. Sparsha gunam, touch. That's why its product is Tvagindriyam has got that same guna, touch. Where from it has come? From Vayu. It is the guna of Vayu, Sattva guna of Vayu. Similarly, fire. Fire has got a guna of its own, Rupa guna. Rupa, form. Therefore, eyes are able to see the forms. Why? They are born from the fire. Therefore, fire has got the guna of form. Therefore, eyes are able to see the forms. Rupa gunam. So, 3 gunas. Shabda gunam akashaha, sparsha gunam vayuhu, rupa gunam agnihi. Then jalam. Jalam na taste. It has got a rasagunam. Rasanam anna taste. Taste gunam is there, water. And corporation water, ella taste irukum adilo. So, taste is its own guna, rasam. Then Prithvi has got its own guna, gandha gunam. Ruchi and சொல்லுவான். ருச்சி என்ன தெரியுமா? அந்த ருச்சி என்ன அந்த டங்குக்கு ருச்சி தெரியும். அந்த ருச்சி யூஸ் குணன்னா வாட்டர்ஸ் குண, டேஸ்ட் குண. Similarly, Prithvi has got guna, gandha guna. மண் வாசனைன்னு சொல்லுவோம். மழை வந்த உடனே என்ன வரும்? வாசனை வரும். என்ன தெரியும்? மண் வாசனை. எங்கேருந்து வருது? என்ன எங்கேயோ மழை பெஞ்சுன்னு இருக்கு. பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் தட் வாட்டர், தஸ் கந்தா கம்ஸ் ஃப்ரம் த அர்த். எப்படி இருக்கும் மண் வாசனை? நல்லா இருக்கும். எல்லாம் நேச்சுரல் வாசனாஸ் நல்லா இருக்கும். ஓகே, these are the 5 gunas, 5 elements, 5 subtle sense organs of knowledge has come. Now what has to come? Mind, buddhi, chitta, ahankara are going to come. Okay, antarendriyam. Etesham panchatattvanam samashti satvikamshat mano buddhi ahankara chitta antahkaranani sambhutani. Generally, external organs, eyes, ears, nose, taste, the touch, they are able to know, get knowledge because of inner organ. Inner organ. Bahya karanani can grasp, can function only when they are supported by antaha karanam, internal organs. That internal organ is what? Manasu. Manasu, buddhi, chitta, ahankara. They are helping to these sense organs which are external. Without the help of internal sense organ, antahakaranam, external organs cannot function. That means what? Backed by internal organs, external organs will function. That's what he says. Etesham panchatattvanam. From these 5 elements, tattvana means from these 5 elements, put together, when the sense organ samashti sattvikamsha. In previous jnanam, sense organs of knowledge, separate we have taken. Now you put their sattva guna together. Akasha sattva guna, Vayu sattva guna, fire sattva guna, water sattva guna, prithvi sattva guna, over edathula vecha, you keep one place. From that samashti. Samashti means all the 5 elements sattva guna put together, from that mind is born. Mind is born. Not only mind, buddhi is also born. Not only buddhi, chittam is also born. Not only chittam, ahankara is also born. All these 4 antakaranani born. All these 4 put together, one name we give, antaha karanam, internal organ. What is mind, what is buddhi, what is chittam, what is ahankara, he is going to explain. Therefore, I am not explaining. Okay? Shankaracharya is going to explain later. What do you mean by mind? What do you mean by buddhi? That and all we will see later. Now here one logical point we have to understand. The mind has to be there behind all 5 sense organs of knowledge. When you are seeing, you can listen, you need not listen. When you are listening, you can see Swamini, you need not see Swamini also. When you are listening, you can see your notebook or you need not see your notebook. Okay? When you are tasting, you need not listen sounds, you can listen also. When you are tasting, you can see, you need not see also. When you are touching, you can hear, you need not hear, you can see, you need not hear. A particular sense organ, when it is function, other sense organ need not function. It is your choice. But whereas mind has to be there in every organ behind. When ears are functioning also, mind has to be there behind. Otherwise you are here, you don't hear. If I am here sitting in the class and my ears are opened, sound is coming from the speaker and the speaker sound is coming from the mic. That mic, in front of mic, Swamini is sitting and talking, but your ears are operated, but they are not functioning. That means what? I am here, I don't hear. Manasu veetla irukke. Suppose my mind is somewhere, I can listen the sound, but I cannot listen what is that sound. Best example is what? When you are sitting in front of TV, when you are watching your favorite program, just a person cross in front of you, in between you and the TV. And you even blink, without blinking, you are looking at the TV. Who passed here now? I don't register. Hey, unnu kannal munnadi edane pona, but I don't register. Without forming a form in your eyes, he cannot cross because he is going in front of you. But still you are not able to register. What is the reason? Because mind is not there behind to observe that. Your mind is not ready to register that person who has gone passes through this. Because your mind is absorbed in the screen, movie. That means what? Mind has to be there behind in every sense organ. Then only it can function. That's why sometimes when kosu kadicha kuda theriyadu namakku. Yenna mind is not applying there. And the kosu kadichi nariga raktam ella it takes and it is go away. So mind has to be there. Adikda samashti satvika amsha. Mind has to be manufactured with the samashti satvika amsha of 5 elements. Otherwise, the sense organs cannot function without the mind. Puriyarada? Manassu irukkudumanna, it has to be manufactured by the sattva guna of 5 elements. Because each element is born of the sattva guna of the 5 elements. So mind has to be there. Clear? That is samashti satvika amshat manaha. Even buddhi also. Buddhi also is made up of sattva guna of all 5 elements. Even chittam, ahankara, all antahkaranani, all put together antahkaranam. Mano buddhi chitta ahankara. Sambhutani, they are all born. Next one we will read. Now who are all ready? Sukshma shariratike pancha jnanendriyani antahkaranani. Manassu buddhi chitta ahankara. Totally how many? 9 over. How many left out? 10. What are those 10? You know. Karma indriyani pranas to be born. We will read. Before going to that karma indriyam and pranas, here Acharya explained what is mind, what is buddhi, what is the function of mind, what is the function of the all these antakaranams. That we will read. Sankalpa vikalpatmakam manaha nischayatmika buddhihi aham karta hankritihi aham karta hankritihi chintana kartru chittam buddhir brahma manaso devata chandramaha buddhir brahma ahankarasya rudraha chittasya vasudevaha. So those antahkaranani, 4 antahkaranams, their function and their corresponding devata. Every sense organ has to be presided by or blessed by one devata or other. Without their blessing, the sense organs cannot function. Sankalpa vikalpatmakam manaha. What mind does? What is the function of the mind? Sankalpam vikalpam. To make a resolution or not to take a resolution. Sankalpam anna to take a resolve. It's called sankalpam. இது பண்ணணுமா வேண்டாமா பண்ணணுமா வேண்டாமா கிளாஸுக்கு போகலாமா வேண்டாமா இது சம்சயம். சங்கல்ப விகல்பாத்மகம்னா சம்சயம்னு அர்த்தம். ஆனால் இது ரைட்டா ராங்கா, இது சாப்பிடணுமா சாப்பிடக்கூடாதா, அப்படியே மனசு பெண்டுலம் மாதிரி இருக்கும். இந்த பெரிய லாக் பார்த்துடும், வால் கிளாக்கில் ஒரு பெண்டுலம் இருக்கும் மிடில். அது ஹேவ் யூ சீன் இட் இஸ் ஸ்டாண்டிங் எனி டைம்? இட் இஸ் ஆல்வேஸ் மூவிங்னா, வேசிலேட்டிங்னா. சங்கல்பம் விகல்பம். இந்த பையன் மாப்பிள்ளை வந்தால் நன்னா இருக்குமா நன்னா இருக்காதா, நல்லா இருக்குமா நன்னா இருக்காதா, இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாமே லைஃப் ஃபுல்லாகவே சங்கல்பம் விகல்பம் சங்கல்பம் விகல்பம். ஸோ வேசிலேஷன்னு அர்த்தம். That is called sankalpa vikalpatmakam manasu. Therefore never complain on your mind. What? என்னமோ ஒரே சந்தேகமாக இருக்க சுவாமினி, மனசுக்குள்ளே ஒரே குழப்பம். குழப்பம் இருக்கிறது தான் மனசு. ஓகே, குழப்பம் எங்கே இருக்குமோ அதுதான் மனசு. மனசு அதோட நேச்சர் அது. ஓகே, வெதர் டு டூ திஸ் ஆர் நாட் டு டூ திஸ். மனசு ஒரே கொந்தளிப்பு, அந்த கொந்தளிப்பு. ஓகே, அந்த கொந்தளிப்பு எங்கே இருக்குன்னா மனசில் தான் இருக்கும். கொந்தளிப்பு இல்லாத மனசே கிடையாது. என்ன சுவாமி, அவங்களெல்லாம் நல்லா சாந்தமாக இருக்கால, ஆனந்தமாக உங்களுக்கு அப்படி தோணும். கிட்ட போய் பார்த்தா தெரியும். No mind is relaxed anywhere in the world because mind nature is that. Who says? Shastra says sankalpam vikalpam. பண்ணணுமா வேண்டாமா, பண்ணணுமா வேண்டாமா, பண்ணணுமா வேண்டாமா, இதே தான். Then what about buddhi? Nischayatmika buddhi. When you want to take decision, how long you can be in vacillation? One decision or other you have to take, whether to marry this person or not. We have to take decision. After marrying, of course, you say, "Yadida panditam." But you have to take, even job also, when they want to go to interview, one place this boy is selected and is waiting for, in 4 days they asked me to join that job. அதுக்குள்ள 2-3 இன்டர்வியூ வந்தா, இதுக்குள்ள சங்கல்பம் விகல்பாத்மகம் நிச்சயம் எப்படான்னா ஏதோ ஒரு ஜாப்ல என்ட்ரி ஆகணும். அது ஒரு tug of war. Selecting a boy or girl for marriage and job, everything is transfer. அந்த ஊருக்கு போகணுமா வேண்டாமா இதெல்லாம் நிச்சயம் பண்ணுறது புத்தி தான். டெசிஷன் மேக்கர்னு. புத்தி மேக்ஸ் த டெசிஷன்ஸ் ஃபைனல்னு, டிட்டர்மினேஷன் அர்த்தம். விகல்பம்னா டவுட்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம். சங்கல்பம்னா டெசிஷன். Decision, it comes in the mind also. Kani, that in the mind, that decision is not finalized, confirmed. So it is in a doubt. Doubt mixed decision is called manas. Doubtless decision is buddhi. Ippudana nanna puriyum. Okay, doubt mixed decision is called mind. Doubtless decision is called buddhi. Adhe antakarananda. Manasu vere, buddhi vere illa. When that antakaranam is with doubt taking decision along with doubt irundana, adu antakaranamukku enna peru? Manasu. Adhe antakaranam without doubt, if it is taking decision, what is the name of that antakaranam? Buddhi. புரியுது? ரெண்டுமே ஒரே இடத்துல இருக்காது. புத்தி வேலை பண்ணும்போது மனசு doubt has to be cleared. Doubt is there and buddhi cannot enter. Your job is over, then only I will come. That's buddhi. Nischayatmika buddhi. We are not studying about anything. We are all studying about ourselves. What a study, great study. Aham karta hankritihi. Aham karta. I am the doer. Karta means doer. Aham, I am the doer. Ahankritihi means this is the ego. I am the doer, and the notion is there, no? I am the doer. I am the doer. I am going to class. I am eater. I am sleeper. I am thinker. I am talker. I am walker. This I am doing, this thought is there, no? That is called ego. Ego and ahankaram, pride is different. This is called functional ego. I am a female. I am a female. I have to wear this dress. This is called ahankara, functional ahankara. I am a eater. Now I am going to eat food. அது கூட தெரியலன்னா என்ன ஆகும்? பசியே தெரியாது. அப்போ பசி தெரியணும். I have to eat food, and after eating food I have to wash my mouth and wash my hands. இதுக்கு என்ன இருக்கணும்? மினிமம் ஈகோ இருக்கணும். அதுதான் அகம் கர்த்தா இது அகங்காரா. அகங்கிருதி என்ன? இட் செல்ஃப் ரெஃபரன்ஸ் அர்த்தம். Which always says I am doing. No. It's a coordinating link. Artham. Coordinating link between that action and myself. That ego. Chintana kartru chittam. Chintana kartru means recollection. The last class you have to recollect. That is called chintanam. Chittam. Recollection, memory. Anusandhana karta is called chittam. That which you have received already, you recollect. After collection only you recollect. Okay? Whatever you have received the knowledge that you recollect. In exam time, what we do? What we have done? Ippella exam illi. When writing exam, what we do? What function is there? Chittam only functions. அங்கே சித்தம் தான் ஃபங்க்ஷன் பண்ணணும். Then only you can write, you will get pass marks. Otherwise, fail. Then each sense, antakaranam, internal organ is blessed by one devata. Who are they? Manasaha Chandrama. The mind is blessed by that moon. Agada moon ki mood ki connection. Moods in the mind are connected to the moon. Lunar, lunatic, lunarலேருந்து lunatic, lunaticலேருந்து the mind connection. Manasaha, the Chandra has to bless the mind. That's why மனசு சரியா இல்லைன்னா அந்த சந்திரன் கிட்ட போய் கொஞ்சம் அந்த கிரகம் கிட்ட சுற்றிட்டு வான்னா சந்திர கிரகன் planet, moon planet. Manasaha Devata, presiding deity, blessed by moon. Then Buddhehe Brahma. Our buddhi is blessed by Brahma. Brahmaji. That's why Buddhi Brahmaji connection parungo. Saraswati Devi. Who is Brahmaji's wife? Saraswati Devi. If Buddhi is there, Brahmaji blesses Saraswati. Jnanam also comes. Buddhi. Then Ahankarasya Rudraha. Ahankaram, ego. Who is the blessing devata? Rudraha. Adana Rodayati. Rudraha is one who makes you to weep. Okay, to cry. Rudraha. When the too much ahankara is there, what comes? Too much ahankara is there, you have to cry. Adana too much ahankara irukkodadu. Functional ahankara is okay. Too much ahankara should not be there. So Rudra Devata is blessing the ahankara. Chittasya Vasudevaha. Vasudeva means Vishnu, the preserver, sustainer. He presides, he preserves the Chittam, memory power, he preserves. Vasudevaha. All these devatas you have to worship. For what? For Manasu, Buddhi, Chitta, Ahankara sake. So what? They will function to make your sense organs of knowledge to function. Without their blessings, you cannot achieve anything. Devatas over. Then we'll see later Karma Indriyani and Pranas later. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.